Hello everyone, welcome back to the Programmatic Intermediate Series. I have a topic in mind from quite some time I wanted to make a video on. It's basically YouTube ads being made through DV360. So without wasting any time, I'm gonna get into the video right away. Today we will be making and discussing about YouTube ads via DV360. I'll explain every ad format being used in simple terms like skippable, bumper, non-skippable, shorts, masthead, pause ads. So when you create YouTube ads using DV360 for mass scale, because you want to showcase the awareness campaign mostly to people via videos, you create YouTube campaign. It's very impactful. Videos create great impact, I would say more than images, because they last in people's mind because it comes with some sort of music, some sort of audio, and the visuals. So YouTube adds a very important topic. Most of the companies switch into programmatic to use YouTube ads because we can scale video ads at a large scale to entire cities, a lot of people together. So how DV360 runs YouTube ads? Think of DV360 as behind the scenes engine because we are running these ads using DV360. So it buys and manages YouTube ad space. When an advertiser or a brand reaches out to you or your client, then you set up this YouTube campaign on DV360. Moreover, another point, the YouTube campaigns can only be set up on DV360, of course, because it's Google inventory. You cannot set them up at Trade Desk or Amazon DSP. So you set up a YouTube campaign at DV360, then a YouTube auction happens where we are bidding for ad slots, like we are competing with other people who have purchased similar ad slots for YouTube, and then finally whoever wins the bids, the viewer sees your ad and the goal is achieved. So what is the structure? Let's discuss the structure. So DV360 campaign structure for YouTube. So first of all, there is campaign. At campaign level, we have overall goal, awareness, consideration, and action. The main goal will be always set up at campaign level. Then comes the IO or insertion order level. At IO level, we allot the budgets. So it's a budget holder for YouTube and partner IOs. Okay. Then comes line item level or LI level. Here the ad formats are selected like skippable, bumper, masthead. Now what these are ad formats are, I'm gonna discuss in further slides. And in YouTube we have another level which is ad group level. Generally for display ads, the targeting gets over till line item level. But in YouTube we have another level called ad group level, where we set the actual targeting and the actual video creatives. So there is another layering in YouTube called ad group level, and then there are ads within the ad group level. In display we generally have it till line item. In line item level only we add the ad copies. So comment down below what kind of campaigns have you used for YouTube, if you have run any YouTube ads, and if you have already used Google ads, do we have ad group level at Google ads or not? Let me know in the comments. Let's discuss the first type of ads via YouTube: in-stream ads. So there are three types of in-stream ads. One is skippable in-stream ads, one is bumper ads, and one is non-skippable ads. So these play before, during, or after a YouTube video. So skippable, as the name suggests, we can skip these ads after 5 seconds. You must have seen these ads on YouTube where we are getting this ad, but alongside we have a skip button, so that after viewing it for 4 seconds, if we are not interested, we can skip those ads. Okay. So it plays before, during, or after the video. That is skippable ad. Viewers can skip after 5 seconds. You only pay if they watch it for 30 seconds or engage with your video. So that's a great point. You only pay in skippable ads if the viewer has watched your ad for at least 30 seconds. or has engaged. By engaged, I mean they have clicked on your website, they went to your website after seeing your ad. So then only you need to pay, otherwise, it's already creating awareness and free of cost. The bidding type we can select for these ads is CPV, that is cost per view, or CPM, which is cost per 1000 impressions. It is best for brand storytelling, it is best for product demos. Okay, these two are the major types which we use for skippable in-stream ads. Length can be any length, but it should be under 3 minutes. That's the recommendation by YouTube. Okay, then comes bumper ads. Bumper ads are the ads which are run for 6 seconds. You blink and it's done. Okay, they cannot be skipped at all. You cannot skip the bumper ads. It's great for brand recall and reinforcement. The bidding type is target CPM or fixed CPM. You only can select, okay, this is the target cost per 1000 impressions I'm ready to pay, or the fixed cost per 1000 impressions. It is best for short, punchy messages, and we can use it alongside skippable for full funnel campaign. So we can run both skippable and the bumper ads together. It's good for the funnel. Then comes the last type of ad, which is non-skippable. As the name suggests, we cannot skip it. It runs for 15 seconds and we cannot skip it. We have to watch it. Just like bumper ads, we have to watch it. Even these particular ads are non-skippable and these ads are non-skippable. This runs for 6 seconds, this runs for 15 seconds. So 7 to 15 seconds viewer have to watch it. It can be up to 60 seconds via instant deals. If we choose a particular deal by Google representative, it can last up to 60 seconds. You must have seen certain ads for, let's say, IPL, because when IPL season is coming, there are some longer ads coming up on YouTube for IPL. And it depends upon person to person. It depends upon your interest and what you generally see. You will see that sort of ad only. So there are some non-skippable ad which also last up to 60 seconds. We have to create it via instant deals, which is provided to us by Google representative. Okay, these are like special sort of ad, these and Masthead ads. So it is great for high impact messaging because it is non-skippable. The message obviously reaches out to the customers. The bidding can be target CPM or fixed CPM, just like the bumper ads. It also has target CPM or fixed CPM. It is best for product launches. It is good for awareness campaigns. Audience cannot escape it, so make it count what you are showing in your ad. The next type of YouTube ads are in-feed and short ads. So these are known as discovery formats because your customer discover you via in-feed and short ads. So in-feed, as the name suggests, comes within the feed of YouTube. It comes in search results, it comes on watch page, it comes on YouTube homepage. Whenever you are scrolling on your mobile and you see some sponsored link on YouTube, it's similar to what ads you are, like what videos are uploaded. It looks almost similar. It just says sponsored on top. So that is in feed video ads. It looks something like this, how it is shown here. Your ad headline would be here and maximum 100 characters, and here the thumbnail would be there where you would be seeing the ad, and here it was be saying ad or sponsored. So that's how in feed video ad looks like. Okay, what are you charged? When viewer clicks the thumbnail or watches the ad for at least 10 seconds, then you pay. Bidding can be cost per view or cost per 1000 impressions. It is best for discovery, reaching people searching for particular topics. So we can select if this ad needs to come in feed of sportswear, if this ad needs to come in, if somebody is searching for a particular topic, then only. So you can reach people searching for particular topics. You can reach your exact audience using in-feed ads. Length can be any length. Headline has to be 100 character, description has to be 35 characters. You cannot obviously exceed them when you're creating these ads. It won't take more than 100 characters or 35 characters. It is great for building channel subscribers too because this comes in feed. So if you want to grow your own YouTube channel, you can use it. I'll try it on my own for my channel soon, and I'll let you how the results were. Although I haven't used the ads as of now, I'm growing organically So this reminds me, why don't you also subscribe to my channel and help me reach out to more and more people? Because you know how YouTube algorithm works is, if one person subscribes to my channel, YouTube suggests similar audiences my videos, and then they can also see my videos. So if you do so, I'll be more motivated and make more and more videos. So next topic would be YouTube short ads. It's also a discovery format. We can see these ads between organic shorts across all devices. Viewers swipe up or down to skip instantly these ads. That's how YouTube short ads look like. When you swipe up, you can skip the ad. So it's just like shorts, but it's a sponsored shorts. We are charged on basis of impression, true view. It can be 10 seconds, engagement 5 seconds. The video format is generally vertical preferred. Minimum 5-second video should be there, and it is best for reaching mobile first short attention audiences. So if your audience are very short span, you can use these ads. I've seen a lot of Blinkit and Swiggy ads coming in shorts these days. Tell me why they are using this short ad formats. The answer is somewhere here, but let me know in the comments. Pro tip would be, make it vertical, 9:16 ratio. It feels native. The next is Masthead ads. Masthead is, you see this king emoji is also being shown because Masthead actually creates a great impact. And then there are pause ads as well. These are premium formats and they create big impact for bigger audiences. It is available via instant deals only. So instant deals are some deals which are provided to you via Google representative. So Masthead ads or YouTube homepage takeover. Masthead is the top page over YouTube. You must have seen some ads somewhere around, like at times of holidays or some game season going on. So certain companies who want to take over YouTube's top page can take these reserved deals. It's a reserved spot of YouTube, and you can, if you are a big advertiser, you can make contact with the Google representative and then create these mastered ads. That's how the mastered ad looks like. Your brand video auto plays here. It is generally muted. You can unmute it to hear what the ad says. Then below that we have headline, description, we have CTA button. It is customizable. It can be in different formats. Here can be description, here can be CTA button, and here can be headline. So this is all customizable. This masthead ad is top of YouTube homepage. That's the first thing that the people see. Okay. On desktop, it has 30-second autoplay on muted form, and on mobile we see a full video when we open the YouTube app. We have a massive reach in shorter time span. It is perfect for product launches. Suppose you are launching a new product, you have a lot of money and you want to give a masthead ad so that it reaches out to all people at once. You can choose this particular format. It is charged on CPM basis. For 1000 impressions you are charged. It requires instant deal via Google representative. Video has to be minimum 10 seconds, 16:9 ratio, and you need to have a public or unlisted account, because the video would be uploaded on YouTube and then it would run as ad. Then comes pause ads. It comes on smart TV or connected TV. So when a video is paused, a brand ad image appears here. It's sort of a display ad. It's a static image shown when viewer pauses on TV. When you are watching YouTube on TV and you pause a video, then a static image must be appearing. It is not confirmed that it is running in India right now, but it is running across Canada, America, UAE markets. So in certain areas, we must be seeing these ads in India. If you are in India and using YouTube via connected TV, Android TV, if you have seen this ad, let me know in the comments. It appears for 10 seconds after the pause happens. It's a semi-transparent overlay. It feels non-intrusive, like it is not a forced ad. It's semi-transparent. If you want to see it, if you click on it, then only it's visible to you entirely. Otherwise, the main logo and the headline description or the brand image is being shown. So it runs on basis of CPM bidding, of course. 1000 impressions will be charged. Only connected TV devices can see this ad. Image size has to be 1080 by 1080 pixels. In PNG, JPG format, maximum size 2 MB file. It is perfect for brand awareness during relaxed, of course. Nobody is being forced to see this ad. When you're relaxed, when you pause the ad, you see this ad. These are all the YouTube ad formats that we discussed today. Let's take a quick go through of what all we discussed. We had skippable ad. We can skip it after 5 seconds. Length, any length, but less than 3 minutes recommended. Bidding can be on cost per view or cost per 1000 impression. It is used for best for storytelling, where we run it in pre, mid or post roll, like after video, before video or within the video itself. Then comes bumper ad. We can skip it. No, it is non-skippable. So length has to be less than 6 seconds. We only run it on basis of target 1000 impressions because it is non-skippable format. The main use for bumper ad is brand recall value, because it is non-skippable. People have to see it, so they'll recall your brand. Where can we see this ad? Pre, mid or post roll. Same with non-skippable ad. We cannot skip it. The length has to be 7 to 15 seconds. The bidding has to be target CPM. It creates high impact because the length is greater than the bumper ads. Otherwise, bumper ads and non-skippable ads are almost similar ad formats. Just the difference is the length of it. Okay, and same pre, mid and post roll, we can run these non-skippable ads. Then the in-feed ads, which we see user clicks, where the user skip these ads. No, if user clicks on it, then we are charged because they come within the feed itself. It doesn't appear up as a video directly. It can be of any length because it's a YouTube video coming within your feed as an ad. What is the bidding type? CPV, cost per view or cost per 1000 impressions. It is best used for discovering your campaign. It comes on search page or the home page of YouTube feed. Short ads, it comes within the shorts. You can swipe up or down. The length has to be more than 5 seconds or a 60-second loop. Cost per impression 1000 impression or cost per view, you can pay via that. The reach is mainly for mobile because it's short ads and it appears in short speed. Then comes masthead ad. We just discussed the masthead ad and pause ads. You can take a screenshot of this entire page. It summarizes what all we discussed today. The key tips would be mix skippable plus bumper for full funnel coverage. If you are running a full funnel campaign, use skippable ad formats, use bumper ad format, and mix your formats accordingly. Then masthead plus pause need to have a Google representative or an instant deal. We already discussed that. Shorts need to have vertical video only for best performance, because if the video format is like this, it's in landscape form, and you are running it in shorts, then it does not look good on phone. It has to be in this format across the phone so that it looks good on phone as well. Then in-feed ad is great for organic feeling discovery. All format need video uploaded to YouTube first. All these formats are YouTube ads and they will run when you upload those videos on YouTube, and then we'll run the ads of those YouTube ads itself. That's all about today. If you like this subject of YouTube ads via DV360, please do not hesitate to like this video, subscribe to my channel so that you get to know when a new video comes up. Let me know in comments down below what all video topics you want me to cover. Thank you so much. Have a great day and happy weekend. Bye bye.